Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again I am here. You are watching my channel English Conversation with Rajni. Today in my video I am going to share with you, because I told my previous video I don't have any partner, so I decided to have the practice with you, because this decision is very good for me and you actually, from which I could be perfect, so can you. So I decided to have the practice with you. I will create any fake story in front of you, and you will use that fake story with yourself. Okay. So I think this fake story is very important in order to be perfect in English. So I decided that I should have the practice with you. Okay. So I have a fake story, and I want to tell you. So that fake story is I am going to market. Okay. And suddenly my friend met. Okay. So let's get a fake story. So yesterday I was going to market, and suddenly my friend met. So I saw my friend, and I called, Rohit, hi Rohit, where are you going? And then my friend said to me, I am going to market. And by the way, where are you going? Actually, even I am going to market. So saying something like this, my friends came to me, and then I said, please let's go. And then saying something like this, we started going to market. And I had reached market, and I asked my friends, what do you want to buy? Actually, I want to buy a English book. Why? Actually, I want to learn, so that's why I want. Okay, actually, I have one suggest to you. What? So please let me know. Actually, if you want to learn English, so you should watch English video on YouTube, because there are so many video on YouTube. Okay. Because I use YouTube, but I don't watch any English video. Okay. Since now I will watch YouTube channel, and I will watch English video. Okay. So saying something like this, my friends purchased English book, and purchasing the book, me and my friends uh, came came home. And then my friends said to me, actually, I have to go, because my mom, I think, might be waiting. Please let me go. So saying something like this, my friends came his house. Okay. So I think this is a fake story, and you create your home. Okay, at your home. So, and please do the comment, because your comment is very important for me. And if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, and share my video. So thank you. Bye bye.